Hi guys, wagwan, what's up, what's popping, how you and the coronavirus going? It is a pandemic here in Jamaica. I mean, it's going crazy, but how are you guys doing? I guess I am trying to keep my sanity. I'm stressed, you can hear that in my voice. But anyways, hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys are doing well because I'm trying to be well. So first things first, you want to size your nails. When you size those nails, you're gonna push by the cuticles. Pushing by the cuticles is optional to you if you know that you're not going to keep these nails on. For video purposes, I will be pushing by the cuticles and all that fancy stuff. So I won't buff the nails either. So now I'll be applying the glue in such a way that I can take the nails off whenever I'm ready for it. So I'm going from side walls to side walls, removing that excess amount that comes out on the nail, and then I'll apply it to each nail, ensuring that the nails are straight because I have a tendency of leaving up these nails. But yeah, I guess you live and you learn. So yes, so you want to remove the excess amount of glue if you are just practicing and you want to have the hand free. So yeah, so I apply every nail to my nail. So then I will go in with my buffer and just smooth out the nail. I feel like when you add some fine grits to the nail, it gives you a better application, whether polish or we call it gel polish. I'll be going with this over the entire tip, roughing them out. I mean, roughing, buffing, it has some form of what you call it, adhesive to it when I don't know. So yeah, so I just know that I do it. So now I'm going in with my black 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 gel. Oh my goodness, my black gel polish. It could be one of your choice. I chose to do black today. So now I'm going in with my black gel polish, and then I'm going to clean it up with my poly gel brush. This brush is a lifesaver. I love it. I'm so happy that I actually got two kits with two poly gel brushes. I mean, it has been a lifesaver. So yeah, so guys, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you find this video very informative because I like doing videos, DIY videos that is very informative that you can use in your everyday practice. So yeah, so I apply this and then I'll clean up around my nails. Ensure that you guys clean up around your nails, especially when you're dealing with gel, because once that's sealed, that's a done deal. Okay, so then I cure that for 60 seconds, ensuring that it's dry. Then I go over it with another coat of black gel top coat, and then I clean around it, the usual, repeat the whole process, the whole step. So yeah, so guys, I'm a really messy polisher, especially when my hands are positioned in such a way. Messy. So now I'm going in with some alcohol to remove that tacky layer. If your gel polish don't have a tacky layer, that's fine. So yes, my nail is popping. Now I'm going in with my so jelly top coat, super shine, glossy. It's bomb. So yes, I'm going with a moderate amount over these nails, ensuring it covers cut each nail properly. So I'll do this over each and every one of these nails. So yeah, so guys, I just want to inform you that Jamaica has been I mean, I'm just going to come every day. I'm going to come and give you guys an update on how my country is operating. We're going crazy. We're going cuckoo over here, cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs over here. I mean, every pharmacy, alcohol, all form of disinfectant agents are out. So now going and cure. So yeah, I cure for 60 seconds. So now I'll take back that same buffer and go over the nail. So as I was saying, I'm so sorry guys. So I'll go over the nail with this buffer once again, and I'll go over each nail, ensure that around the cuticle area, around the side walls are smoothed out, because when you finish the steps, then you will see what I'm talking about. So yeah, so this is one of the steps. You want to apply your gel top coat, cure that for 60 seconds, then you'll buff each and every nail, and then you will use some acetone and just remove anything that I don't know what you're removing. I guess you're just adding a little bit more matte to the nail when it's buffed. So yes, I'm going to do this to all of the nails. all of my nails. So yes, guys, as I mentioned before, while I'm buffing the nails, so Jamaica is in a state of craziness right now. We discovered two. We're now at two case of COVID-19. So we're going really crazy. Everybody wearing masks, everybody wearing gloves, everybody just going crazy. I mean, I'm a part of that crazy clank. I'm just trying to keep this sanity over here. I mean, I don't go anywhere, so I don't know, but I am stressed right out. I am panicking. I am panicking. But anyways, so yes, so now that all the nails are done, I'm going to remove the dust off the nails, and then I'll go in with acetone. So this is the first step to matting the nails without actually having matte top coat. So for one, you're going to apply your gel polish. You're going to top coat that. You're going to seal it, cure it, and then cure for 60 seconds, and then go for buffing it, and then you use your acetone over the nail, and then you get your matte top coat. Simple, easy. You should try it out. And when you try it out, you should probably be tag me on Instagram and let me see how it looks. So now I want to design the nails a little bit more. So I was considering whether or not if I should go in again with my black or if I should use my top coat, my gel top coat. But using the top coat is much better than using the black, because I want to ensure that the nail is smooth without any obvious hump in the nail. So now I'm going at the very tip of the nail with my gel top coat, and then I'll cure this. So I'll go around each and every nail, and I'm going around each and every nail. So I go around at the tip of each nail, ensuring that the line is straight. Guys, my fine-tuning skills is just down the drain. I mean, I thought these nails were straight, but it was obviously not. After taking the pictures, I was like, what's going on? What's going with these lines? What's happening with these lines, man? Even though I took a detailing brush and kind of tried to straighten it up, it was a hot mess. I mean, it wasn't an obvious mess, obvious, thing, but because I am such a perfectionist, I felt like this was so obvious on the nail. So I'm going with a detailing brush or an art brush to straighten those lines. And when I straighten those lines, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds, and then I'll be back with the reveal, honey. So I'm finished right now. So these are how the nails are looking. They're looking so bam. They're looking sexy. I mean, the last video that I posted, a French tip, I thought those were the sexiest nails ever. But I'm liking these matte top coats, man. I'm liking these black matte rather. With that glossy tip, it looks so classy. But anyways, guys, if you do enjoy this video, you find this video very informative, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, turn on that post notification so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Peace. I'm out. Won't be walking away, yeah. I'm a fool, yeah. I got love.